Hello, everyone. Weather discussion number 15 here. It is July 28, 2026 with, okay, this is not going to be an ordinary update because this typhoon is not going to be hitting land for at least a week, but it is historical. And here at Radar Center and my channel, we all feel the urge to make a video on this. So first of all, this morning, the JTWC put out an advisory that just completely blew me away. They noted, word for word, the only hindrance for this typhoon is physics. And also, it was at 85-mile-an-hour estimated intensity at that time at 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or what's it, 9Z. Um, I'm almost at a loss for words. This is going to be a historical typhoon that will probably be researched for years. Look at that pinhole eye. It does that wobble between 12 and 13. See that northerly wobble? 11 to 13? It's back on course now, but it has rapidly organized. I went to bed at 2 a.m. and it was a 70-mile-an-hour tropical storm, and based off estimated official intensity, it was probably stronger by then. It already formed an eye feature with negative 60 degree Celsius temperatures, and look at that thing go. Danny, what do you have to say about this?
I mean, I think I could speak for everyone else in the community. The loss of words, speechless. I don't think we all saw this coming, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, I can't say anything right now. I'm genuinely at a loss of words.
This thing started off about a week and a half ago. It's this, you know, we always hate on Central Pacific Invest because they don't always form, right? I mean, we had Invest 90C and 91C, and they just did nothing. Now when 92C came up, we're like, this is gonna be one of those broad troughs, that just dawdles around the Central Pacific. Dry air is probably gonna kill it. It just shoots up from like 30-50 probability of formation to 50-90 and then 90-90. And then it turned into this a couple days later. What is that? This is apparently the first time in 12 years, if we go look at the official graphic from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, that was prognostic recently. Okay, look at that. 165 knot peak. That is 190 miles per hour. Did Sinlaku reach 190, guys?
It probably reached 185, 190. I'm not very sure. I think there are a couple, some evidence to support Sinlaku being 190.
Nevertheless, this is an extremely violent typhoon. Thankfully, this thing is doing its own thing in the middle of the ocean. The only threat that will bring is rip currents and surf, probably to all these mostly uninhabited or sparsely inhabited Pacific islands, Guam, the Marianas. You guys are gonna be fine. It's just beach hazards. But as we look, we're gonna take a look at forecast models. There, of course, this is 9 to 12 days out. There's going to be spread in where this thing lands. But if we just play it, let's make it go a little faster. So what GFS thinks, I mean, anywhere from China to Japan could see a very strong typhoon impact. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Japan and South Korea. And there it goes up to Sea of Japan. Boom. Another hit to, and it's stalling too. I don't even know if that's extratropical at that point. It's literally moving so slow. But of course, this is not going to probably be the path it takes. I mean, exactly, of course. It could be a rudimentary sketch of what we could see. But this is just insanity. European model, look at that. 901 millibars on multiple occasions. 887. And the European model,
Oh my
this
God.
is just what, 7 days, 3, 4, 5, 6 days out. and the European model is known to be very conservative, then we're looking at
Oh my
887
god.
millibars. HWRF. Uh,
Oh
um,
no, I'm scared.
yeah, it's pretty tame actually, but the eye only continues to get bigger in here, of course. 929, and if we look at the simulated IR, uh, it looks pretty annular in here. Um, very annular, in fact. Look at
Could
that
be after
crap.
the eye replacement cycle.
Look at that. Look at even the freaking oh, I forgot what it's called, the
Donut
cloud fill or
looking at.
whatever. Yeah, crazy anywhere feature that HOR predicts. HAFSA. It doesn't really port simulate IR chocolate tidbits correctly. But we're just gonna take a look at radar and MSL. Oh
895.
my
Oh my
goodness,
god.
it just
I
doesn't
saw
stop.
887. Is it
888.
8? Oh my god. 887.
Oh
There we go. Oh my
my
god.
goodness. Um, did not mean to do that.
190. That's 220 miles per hour.
Holy crap. Wait, I actually can't
That
see
is
exactly, but
220 miles per hour. 190.5 knots. That is 220
wait, where's
miles
it
per
say?
hour.
Oh, it says right here. Oh, dude, wait, okay, wait, this is 850 height, so we got some track for surface, probably 205 in the
Okay,
surface.
wait, let me see. 190 knots.
Holy
2 miles
crap,
per hour.
surface, I think. This is
Yeah,
surface, I believe.
dude, that's 190.
195.
185, 190.
Wow. Blows me away. If we just look over here. Oh yeah, look at that wind field just continue to expand as it moves more northerly latitudes. Crazy work. This is absurd. We're gonna look at cyclonic WX. I mean, honestly, Danny, what is your unofficial estimate? Official right now is Cat 3. Oh, Genevieve's Cat 3 now. What
Right
would you say,
now,
Danny?
it's 169.48, but right now, I think it's definitely been weakening. So right now, I think I'll give it 155 to be honest.
Oh, Dolphin? Oh,
Yeah.
I need to check the
Oh,
spread
or
and
for
tropical
Genevieve?
tidbits. Oh, I
You're
thought you were
talking for
talking about. I
Genevieve?
thought we're talking about Dolphin. My bad.
Oh, alright.
Genevieve's Cat 3. Genevieve still looks really good though. Dolphin. My crappin' lord. That's just. I can't even make up a freaking good term to describe this. Ah, EPS ensembles, GFS. Okay, these ones are actually really conservative. Unfortunately, intensity guidance is broken. Of course, tropical tidbits, it's broken. If we take a look, I mean, yeah, this is a truly impressive cyclone. The eye is still fading in and out
Um,
of temperatures
I would
right
like to
now.
say a couple things right now. Typhoon Dolphin could challenge several notable records if it continues to rapidly intensify. It may surpass Super Typhoon Sinlaku as the strongest tropical cyclone worldwide this year, and could rival Super Typhoon Partek of 2016 as the strongest July tropical cyclone in the 21st century, and may even approach to Super Typhoon Wanda's intensity of 1956 as the strongest July typhoon in recorded history.
I agree with that. Well, anything else anyone wants to note?
No, I have nothing.
All right.
I have
Thank you everybody for
nothing.
watching this emergency update on Super Typhoon Dolphin. Well, not Super Typhoon, but it shortly will be. This is um a very fascinating situation. Thankfully, this thing is staying away from land, far from peak intensity. Um, so human lives won't really be any threat except for beach hazards for the next 4 days. Thankfully,
Fishes.
yeah, fish, of course. Yeah. Well, thank you everybody for watching, and we will see you in the next briefing.